Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Alex's Adventures, and in this episode of Alex's Adventures we'll be taking an adventure walking around downtown Dallas and see what this place has to offer. So here we are in downtown Dallas, in Dallas, Texas. We'll take a look at the Pioneer Park. Here's Pioneer Park. This is one of the must-see destinations when you are in downtown Dallas. You can always take a walk along with the Bull Trail, and this dates back to when this growth, the birth of downtown Dallas. So pretty interesting to see what we have here. I really love how this is designed. It feels like the bull run is in motion as it crosses the river. And this is a perfect photo opportunity when you're in Dallas. So right nearby Pioneer Park, this is the Dallas City Hall. We love the geometric architecture here. And yeah, so we are in the heart of downtown Dallas. Here you can see the Majestic, and here we have several historic buildings and skyrises. And here on Irving and streets, and you can see several restaurants here. And we are about to check out the Eye. So when you're in downtown Dallas, you must see the Eye. It's a huge eyeball. Really another great photo opportunity here. And after you're done seeing the Eye up close, here is Thanksgiving Square. Here we have several high-rise buildings, hotels, and retail stores on the street front. And you can always take the light rail, as you can see it crosses the street, which goes through downtown Dallas. Light rail crosses Trinity River if you continue this way. So we are here in downtown Dallas at the Dallas Museum of Art, one of the must-see places when you're in downtown Dallas. And let's go ahead and take a look at some art inside the Dallas Museum of Art. Admission is free. You can always check this place out. You can also check out other art, such as American art, Asian art, any other types of art. And that is what you expect to see inside the Dallas Art Museum. So just outside of the Dallas Art Museum, here is Clyde Warren Park, which is an urban park that is over the freeway. So underneath us is the freeway that cuts through downtown Dallas. And really love this urban park. And you can see at night, you can see live music. Here's La Grada, and also buy food that is here at the park. Here is also food trucks that is parked at the park, and at night it is pretty lively here. And this is a great photo opportunity when you're in downtown Dallas. You can just walk along this path and see the arches, and it does look beautiful at night. So as we turn to our right, here's the stage for live music. And here's a huge open space. Pretty nice place to hang out with your kids or family or friends in general. And here on the other end of the park, you would see a playground with the view of the freeway on the other side that goes underneath the Clyde Warren Park. And as we make our view to the right, here is uptown Dallas with several skyrise buildings. And here's the park itself. So here's one of the iconic buildings in downtown Dallas. And we are about to walk through the West End. So here's the West End District in downtown Dallas. Here you can check out the Museum of Illusions. Pretty, really love the historic buildings on the West End in downtown Dallas. And here is the light rail again. This is the same line that we saw earlier, and it goes just back and forth through downtown Dallas. Here on our right, you can see the courthouse in the distance. Here we have this barbecue place. There's the Reunion Tower on the right. And here's the same light rail line. And to end our adventure of downtown Dallas, you must check out Dealey Plaza and the school depository, where one of the historical events that happened here, which is the assassination of John F. Kennedy. Here you can see the motorcade that takes place that runs through here, and you can see the X's on the road where the shot took place. And yeah, so that concludes our adventure of walking around downtown Dallas. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give this video a super huge thumbs up. Comment section below what you think about this adventure. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to my other YouTube content is on this channel. And thank you for watching Alex's Adventure, and I'll definitely see you on the next one.